my name is Posh and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a quick get ready with me. I actually am in LA right now and I got a bunch of business errands to run, so I decided, hey, why not, you know, show my Posh babies how I just get ready with my Nadula hair and how quick and easy it is to flat iron this hair and get out the door. I know all of my Posh babies are pretty much mothers or entrepreneurs or college students, and y'all would like to know how to pretty much get that glam look really quickly the Posh way. So this hair I'm wearing, tell y'all a little bit about Nadula hair. This hair is 3 bundles in a frontal. I actually got in, I think, like 22 and 24, 2 22s, 1 24. It was pretty long, but I'm also very little, so if you're tall, you might need to go to a 26. If you're short like me, then 22 and 24 will be perfect for you. This hair colored pretty easy. Like, I really just wanted like a messy blonde look. I didn't want it to be too perfect, and I didn't want it to be like a 613 blonde. So I pretty much just decided to get it colored and do a couple, like, I call them white girl streaks, but that's what I pretty much wanted it. I like the bedhead hair look, but today I want to press it out because it's pretty hot in LA and I don't want it to already be too wild. So just showing y'all pretty much how I just grab the hair. Just grab chunks of the hair and I press it, and how easy it is, how much body it has, how easy it is to just grab it and, yeah, put some heat to it. That's pretty much it. I like this hair. Like I said, the when the girl was doing my highlights, the hair took well to the color or the bleach or whatever she used, and it was pretty easy. Yeah, so I really like this hair. But right now I am in LA. I've been networking, going to different beauty events, and tonight I actually have a photo shoot. So yeah, working. I actually have a photo shoot, and it's for a new brand that I'm working with. So I'm excited. I'm actually linking up with this dope LA hairstylist and some more dope people that are located in California. So you see how easy and simple it is for me to get that glam bone straight look. Like, I'm not even having to go over it but one time. So that's the good thing about Nadula hair. I love it. I actually, when I wash it in the shower, the natural state is body wave. So when I wash it in the shower, it gives me a nice little beach wave for its natural state, and it still goes bone straight pretty well. See the difference? This is the side I didn't do, and this is the side. As y'all see, look how silky that is. That's pretty good. And I literally, guys, I did that under 5 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick get ready with me when you having to go to a business meeting or make a lunch date with your friends. You want to be able to, guys, so that's it for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. Just if you are a businesswoman or entrepreneur like myself, this is just a quick 5-minute press out with Nadula hair. This hair is so bomb, and I will make sure I leave a link in the description box where you can purchase this exact hair I am wearing, as well as there's going to be a giveaway for my Posh babies. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.